Thinking about getting breast implants, but you're worried about the myths that you heard online? Well, let's clear up some myths associated with breast implants. Hello, I'm Dr. Handa, plastic surgeon at Handa Studies in Plastics. So the first common myth associated with breast implants is that they do not give natural results. A badly done breast implant will look unnatural, but if the right size of the implant, which is right for your frame and right for your tissue type and height, then implants look absolutely natural. And these days you even get anatomical implants which mimic the shape of your breast. So the concept that breast implants always look fake or unnatural, well, that's just not true. Number 2, that breast implants can cause breast cancer. Numerous procedures of breast implants are done every year across the world. Millions of patients have received breast implants and are living their lives absolutely normally. There are no studies which link implants directly to breast cancer. So you should not be worried about it. Breast implants do not cause cancer. Number 3, that breast implants affect breastfeeding. That's simply not true. The reason is that breast implants do not react with the body tissues in any manner. Even in some cases, implants are put under the muscle, so they are not even in direct contact with the breast tissue. So what I tell my patients is that they can go ahead and breastfeed absolutely normally after getting implants. Myth number 4, that breast implants last only for 10 years. Well, the warranty that comes with the manufacturer is for 10 years, but implants can be carried by the patient for 15-20 years without any complication. They require a revision procedure or an exchange procedure only if you develop a complication. If the patient has a healthy lifestyle, they face no issues, then implants can be carried easily for 20 years or more. Thank you.